Happy Thanksgiving. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. It is a bright and sunny Thanksgiving. More importantly, it is a very cold Thanksgiving. We have an Arctic invasion. Even though Canada doesn't celebrate Thanksgiving like we do, they want a seat at the dinner table today. And here's why. High pressure system located over Michigan, and that is drawing in northwesterly winds into our area. And it's really just the northeast that is seeing this brunt of the Arctic invasion here. These were our dew points this morning. Not only do you need the jacket and the scarf and the hat, but you need the chapstick too. Dew points only in the single digits for the most part, a little higher over towards Cape May, but still very dry, bone dry air. Might want some gravy on that. Dew points that we have here, chapstick and stuffing, sounds like a good idea for today. As we go into the afternoon, when you factor in the winds, now the winds are not going to be all that heavy. However, when you combine it with the cold temperatures, it will be feeling like this during the afternoon. Only the upper teens for a good part of the mainland, 20 along the shore. That is it for today. It is a good test for what is to come as we go deeper and deeper into winter. Let's start off with our Thanksgiving football games. Again, like I said, if you are heading out, you're going to want to bundle up because temperatures are in the 20s this morning. It'll be feeling like the upper teens to the low 20s during the football games. Now, we'll have full coverage for you at thepressofac.com. We'll also be doing a Facebook Live from the Ocean City at Pleasantville football game. I'll be there just around halftime, so be on the lookout for that. Here are our high temperatures for Thanksgiving. 31 in Galloway at Atlantic City International Airport. You go north of the Black Horse Pike, and you get into 28 in Hamilton, 28 in Philly, south of the Black Horse Pike on the mainland, just around freezing. Shore, also just around freezing, all with plenty of sunshine. So it will be a bright and sunny Thanksgiving, but we will have the chilly air. It feels to cut the chill, a little bit gusty along the shore. Now, over in Galloway at Atlantic City International Airport, where it is going to be 31 degrees for today, that would normally be the record for the coldest Thanksgiving on record. However, we are not going to get there, and here is why. Here's our record for November 22nd, 35 degrees. The Thanksgiving record is 31 for our coldest high temperature. Look where we started at midnight, 36 degrees. And, well, our climate records go from midnight to midnight, just like any other day of the week. So even though as we go throughout the day, temperatures will only be getting up to 31 degrees, we will not be breaking the record neither for the date or for Thanksgiving as a whole. Still very cold here across the area. As we go into tonight, it is bone-chilling cold. Cold even for the middle of January. Lows in the teens everywhere. Some places at the shore will be in the teens as well. If you're in the Pine Barrens, if you're in Hamilton or Mullica, or you're in parts of Eagleswood, well, it could be 10 degrees there as we go into our Black Friday morning. And that means you need the layers for shopping here. Temperatures will be in the mid-teens, only in the mid-teens at 7 a.m. We do warm up quickly, at least relatively speaking. We jump 20 degrees, but that's only going to get us to a high of 35 degrees on the mainland, 38 at the shore, cold and calm for our evening here. And as we go into our mainland 7-day forecast, low temperatures actually bottom out during the evening. Then we rise overnight and we go into a weekend that is milder and actually not that bad here, but we do have one issue. And that is a coastal storm for the later half of Saturday into Saturday evening. That will bring wind and it will bring some rain here. But as we go into Sunday, we dry out. In fact, we should be sunny for the afternoon. Temperatures around 60, very nice here. Another coastal storm on Saturday. There were many details that we need to work out with this. It does look to be all wet, though. No snow for us. And then the backside of this, windy and cold. Temperatures back into the 40s. If you're along the shore here, there will be rounds of minor coastal flooding during the AM high tides. It is not going to be every high tide between Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. But 2 or 3 of those days will have morning high tides that will be in a minor flood stage. So move your cars if you need to and be prepared for some localized roadway closures or at least ponding on the roadways. Do not drive through water on the ground here on the roads from coastal flooding. It is salt water and corrodes. Here we go, Tuesday and Wednesday again. Cold and windy. Have a great Thanksgiving, everybody. We'll have the Facebook Live for you coming up in just a little bit over at the Pleasantville High School. And meanwhile, for the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at JoeMarWX, Twitter at ACPressMartucci, or thepressofac.com/weather.